Nourishing little tummies. Why solid food matters. Around 6 months old, your baby's nutritional needs start to outgrow what breast milk or formula can provide. This is a crucial milestone in their growth journey. This is where the exciting world of solid food steps in. It's a whole new adventure for both you and your baby. Introducing solids isn't just about taste exploration. It's about delivering essential vitamins, minerals, and calories for healthy growth and development. Each spoonful is packed with nutrients. Iron, for example, is crucial for brain development and red blood cell production, and your baby's iron stores start to deplete around this age. Ensuring they get enough iron is vital. Introducing iron-rich foods like pureed meats and fortified cereals helps bridge this nutritional gap. These foods are essential for maintaining their energy levels and overall health. Moreover, solid foods introduce your baby to a wider variety of tastes and textures, shaping their palate and potentially preventing picky eating later on. This early exposure is key to developing healthy eating habits. It's an important step in their development and a wonderful opportunity to bond over shared mealtimes. These moments create lasting memories and strengthen your connection. As your baby explores new flavors and textures, they also develop essential oral motor skills. These skills are foundational for their future eating and speaking abilities. The act of chewing and swallowing strengthens the muscles in their mouth and jaw, preparing them for speech development and the transition to a varied diet. This process is crucial for their overall development and well-being. Ready, set, eat. It's an exciting milestone for both you and your baby. Signs your baby is ready for solids. Let's explore these signs together. Every baby develops at their own pace, but there are a few telltale signs that your little one is ready to embark on their solid food adventure. It's a big step in their growth journey. Firstly, they should be able to hold their head steady and sit upright with minimal support. This ensures they can safely swallow food. Secondly, watch for signs of increased interest in food. This curiosity is a key indicator. Do they gaze longingly at your plate during mealtimes? This shows they are noticing and wanting to try what you are eating. Do they try to grab food from your hands? This eagerness is a strong sign. These are good indicators that their curiosity about food is piqued. They are ready to explore new tastes and textures. Lastly, the tongue thrust reflex, which naturally pushes food out of their mouth, should have diminished. This reflex is a natural defense mechanism. This reflex protects babies from choking on solids before they're developmentally ready. Once it fades, they can handle solids better. Once it fades, they're better equipped to swallow food safely. Enjoy this new chapter in your baby's life. First bites, safe and nutritious starter foods. Choosing the first foods for your baby can feel overwhelming, but simplicity is key. Start with single-ingredient purees that are easily digestible and low in allergy risk. Good options include fruits, bananas, avocados, cooked apples, and pears. Vegetables, sweet potatoes, carrots, butternut squash, and peas. Grains, iron-fortified infant rice cereal, oatmeal, and barley cereal. When preparing these foods, ensure they're cooked until soft and then pureed or mashed to a smooth consistency. Avoid adding salt, sugar, or spices. As your baby gets accustomed to these flavors, you can gradually introduce new ones, one at a time. Section 4. Mealtime Magic, Establishing a Feeding Routine. Creating a positive and stress-free mealtime experience is crucial. Start by offering solids once a day, preferably when your baby is well-rested and in a good mood. Choose a time that works seamlessly with your family's schedule. Begin with a small amount of food, about 1 to 2 teaspoons, and gradually increase the portion as your baby's appetite grows. Be patient and responsive to their cues. If they turn their head away or close their mouth tightly, it's a sign that they're full. Remember, mealtimes are not just about nourishment, they're also about bonding and creating positive associations with food. Engage with your baby, make eye contact, and talk or sing to them throughout the meal. Section 5. Navigating the food journey, common concerns and solutions. Introducing solids can be messy and unpredictable, and it's natural to have questions and concerns. This is a new adventure for both you and your baby. One common worry is food allergies, which can be quite daunting for new parents. While it's important to be aware of potential allergens, most babies don't experience severe reactions. It's all about careful introduction and observation. Introduce high allergen foods like peanuts, eggs, and dairy one at a time, waiting at least 3 days between each new food to observe for any reactions. This helps in identifying any specific triggers. If there's a family history of food allergies, consult your pediatrician for personalized guidance. They can provide tailored advice and reassurance. Another common concern is messy eating, which can sometimes feel overwhelming. Rest assured, it's a normal part of the learning process. Babies explore and learn through touch and taste. Embrace the mess and provide a bib and a wipeable surface. This makes cleanup easier and allows your baby to enjoy their food exploration. Avoid forcing your baby to eat if they seem reluctant. This can create negative associations with food. Patience is key. If you have any concerns about your baby's growth, development, or feeding habits, don't hesitate to reach out to your pediatrician. They are there to support you. They're your trusted partner in guiding your little one through this exciting milestone. Remember, every baby is unique and will progress at their own pace. Section 6. Enjoy the adventure. Embrace the messy milestones. Introducing solid foods is an adventure filled with discoveries, messy faces, and heartwarming milestones. Remember, every baby is different, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Trust your instincts, be patient, and enjoy the journey. As your little one progresses from purees to finger foods and beyond, you'll witness their palate expand and their love for food blossom. These early experiences with food shape their relationship with nourishment for years to come, so make them positive, joyful, and filled with delicious discoveries.